Okay, this beauty is one of our most requested bags on our bag wish list. We keep a bag wish list at the store for customers that are looking for particular bags, and this is one of the most requested ones, and this is the perfect example of why. It's just beautiful. It's of course by Mulberry. It's a lily, a regular size lily in the colourway that Mulberry called Deer Tan, and it's just gorgeous little bag. So it has of course got the plaited plaited leather and chain strap, which doubles up, or you can make it longer if you want. I'll show you both sides. So I'm UK 810, about 5'4". So if you double up, it looks like that kind of length. If you go through the single strands, it's like that. And of course, it then means it can go crossbody, which feels really nice. It kind of sits and feels comfortable. It comes with Mulberry dust bag, and of course it's got the Mulberry padlock pouch, Mulberry postman's lock. The inside of this bag is just beautiful, lined in suede in again the deer tan. It's just, oh, it's so nice. One zipped pocket just here. Okay, and we've got of course the Mulberry tag as well. Condition wise, the interior is in excellent condition. There is absolutely no sign of anything going on in there whatsoever. The exterior and the hardware we've called very good. So I'll show you the hardware first. This may not show up, but there's just little signs of wear on the outside, but also, can you see that? And again on the receiving part. Now, interestingly, this sign of wear will happen to a Mulberry bag even if you're not using it. Just by storing it, it will do this. So we've called that very good. And the exterior we've called very good. Again, it's in incredible condition. There's just a couple of slight things. So will it show? Can you see just there? A little scuff to the leather. And there's one just on the base of the bag. I don't think this one will show. No, it's so slight. It's just there. Can you see that there? Slight scuff to the leather, but that is it. But I can't call it excellent because of them, so I'm calling it very good. But it really is a beautiful example of why a Mulberry Lily is one of our most requested bags on our wish list. There is a link to this if you go to the comments below. Excuse me. If you go to the comments below, there's a link that will take you to this on our product page. When you're on the website, please sign up to our newsletter because then you get 10% off your first purchase. What else? You can follow us on Instagram. There's a link in the comments below to follow us on Instagram. And of course, if you like our bag videos, please give us the thumbs up.